All right. I'm Captain Hunk. Y'all always know me by that, but today I'm just here to talk to you about some things that are. If you're gonna play this game, I'm gonna tell you this is all for the gun fanatics. So if you're not a gun fanatic, go fuck yourself and fuck off. But for the people who are gun fanatics like me, I'm gonna show you in this vrchat game worlds that you should go, and just that because there's I'm just gonna show you my top favorite ones. I'm not gonna say top 10 because I can't count, and that's beyond what high school taught me. The only things I know: war, guns, and food. That's really it. But anyway, yeah, here's some good worlds. So let's check them out. All right, first up, and I use shooting world. Look at all these happy fuckers shooting. There's even a fucking World War II Army Ranger right there. So this is one of the most, one of the most popular. So I'm gonna get this one out the way because every fucking person in vrchat says this world is amazing. It is, but there's tons of others that. This one has like the most realistic. That's why it's really popular. It has a bunch of guns like Desert Eagles, M4A1s, M1911 pistols, also Glocks. Also, this fucking sniper rifle that no one knows the fucking name of. And it's annoying when you press the fucking bipod because then it does this. But let's hear what these people have to say about this. You. Excuse me. What do you think about this world?
Very good.
All right. What about you? What do you think of the world?
Okay. I think it's pretty realistic. I mean, I wasn't expecting a game like this, so I have to give it like a 10 out of 10.
All right. What about you? What do you think?
No idea.
Anyway, let's go to a private world and let's test it out for ourselves. All right. So now this is the world when it's not a complete mess. It's not their fault. I make a mess too. So I'm going to show you everything. 3 Glocks, 2 M1911s, one completely modified Desert Eagle, one regular Desert Eagle. In here, some M4A1s and a fucking M1 Garand. That's how you pronounce it, I think. Yeah, they used this bitch in World War II. It's like the first assault rifle ever made. Actually, it's not really an assault rifle, it's a marksman rifle. But, yeah, like I was saying, first one ever made. This was like the Rifles for America or some shit. Yeah, it's definitely for America. During like the 1940s, World War II was mostly used. And then after that, the M16 was made. And then after that, some god, probably white American Jesus, made this fucking beautiful piece of fucking glory. The M4A1. So anyway, yeah, you can also change the settings, by the way. I see why people like it. This happened to me last time. I'm not doing that shit again. I pressed 10 fucking miles. Alright then. Yeah, the scopes don't work together. Anyway, oh yeah, the big ass sniper rifle too. So let me take off the fucking bipod, which is kind of impossible, but yeah, this place is mad fun. But the fucking sniper rifle is mad impossible to fucking fire. Let me. You see? Oh, fuck. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Yeah, no one fucking likes a sniper rifle, and I see why. This bitch jams a lot as well. Alright, fuck the sniper rifle for a second. Anyway, let's try the Desert Eagle real quick, and then we're gonna check our next one. This ain't. Alright, this one kind of does work. Alright, this is NIU shooting range. Let me, oh fuck, wrong one. Fuck. Right here. I don't know how to fucking pronounce their name. But anyway, yeah, they did a good world with this one. It's one of my favorites. Alright, next up, this is... Honestly, you don't really need to do anything. You can just write shooting range and you can fucking find this. So anyway, yeah, there's like a bigger selection between weapons. As you can see, they got Glocks, M9 Berettas, a Tech 9, Python, Beretta, 20 gauge, M6. Over here, they got Scars, HKs, MPs, AKs, and P90s. And respectfully, the P90's fucking weird looking. It looks like they just took a stock and fucking put a trigger in a small ass fucking pistol barrel and called that bitch a day. But yeah, anyway, yeah, this is one of my favorite worlds. I like the weapons here. And it also has working scopes. And also the targets also move when you shoot them. I always thought that was pretty fucking cool. And sometimes like the free fire. You know, fuck around sometimes. Oh fuck, why is my goddamn... Yeah. They also got pistols too. My favorite's the M9 Beretta. Italian masterpiece. And who can forget the old fucking Rick Grimes goddamn... Yeah, the Tech 9, I don't really like this gun a lot, but it's still cool. Anyway, M9 Beretta. Look at this 20 gauge. I don't really like shotguns that much, but I like this one a lot. What else? Yeah, this big ass sniper rifle. Also working functional scope. You saw that? Man, where the fuck was I when Kennedy was alive? Yeah, I'm kidding. I like Kennedy. I would have shot Lee Harvey instead. Man, fuck Lee Harvey. Anyway. Oh yeah, also the Scar. A louder one. And that's it. It's called Shooting Range. All caps. You also made another world which we're gonna go to, so. Alright, next place. This place is by the same maker from Shooting Range, all caps. But this one kind of started a lot of fights in this place. Like, you always had that one asshole who just took the fucking double shotguns and just... Yeah, and do that shit, you know, someone just trying to use a shotgun. Yeah, this one doesn't really have a big selection, but... Yeah, it's still a pretty cool place to chill. Alright, no, that's kind of bullshit. That one should have hit. Yeah, but anyway, this one's kind of cooler. This one also got grenades. But this would actually almost ended friendships as well, because there would have to be some dick just shooting in the range, and some guy goes like fucking this to you right under there, and this happens. Yeah, kind of pissed people off. Yeah, it happened to me like a bunch of times, and whenever I did to someone, they would cry like a little baby bitch about it. But yeah, anyway, they also have grenades. This place was like a recruitment center or a fucking end of, like, fucking end of friendships. But it's still a cool shooting range. Me personally, I would just go to private because a bunch of little fucking kids come here. Oh, so they do have working sites, like this one right here, red dot. I usually come here whenever I need a recruit. And look, fucking Master Chief's here. How you doing, Chief?
What's up, dude? What's up?
Anyway, yeah, this world's like
Can I
a... Huh?
can
Yeah,
I
you gotta,
hold this
you gotta,
thing like
you gotta hold it like this. Like, if you want to reload...
with one hand?
No, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, you gotta do it with one hand. Yeah, his game's time.
Realistic.
But anyway,
Can I
yeah.
hold it like a Glock?
Oh shit, another
Yo.
person's here. But yeah, anyway, this is the shooting test. That's what it's called.
What's good?
Was good.
You got a Master Chief on the. Let me see.
I'm a military soldier. I'm just wearing regular military clothes.
You that soldier?
Yeah,
I'm about to load you. Let's see your avatar.
go ahead.
How do I change mags?
I'm just loading it in. That's all. Oh yeah, there you go. That look way better.
Anyway, yeah, this is the world. What do you two think about it, this world?
I like it. It's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
All
I
right.
mean, not much to it than just shooting guns. But I mean, that's what it
This
is.
is our
It's a
love.
gun test. So.
Well, you heard it there, folks. People who like it. Anyway, we're gonna go to the next shooting range. Be a different type. See you later. All right. For now, this is for my Black Ops 1 fans. This is like another anti-U shooting range part 2. Now it's like old-fashioned shit. Talking about Black Ops 1. Oh, let's forget about the M9 Berettas and forget about the Glocks. Actually, you know what? We're still gonna use it. If you like using guns here, yeah. One problem is the shooting range is kind of far. Actually, can you change it? Oh, stop. Yeah, that's cool. I didn't realize you can do that shit. Anyway, they got a bunch of cool goddamn guns. Let me see about the scopes, though. Ooh, these bitches work. Yep. Yeah, everything works. This one's a normal one. I had fun doing this. Yeah, not a lot of people talk about this world. It's kind of an alright one. The shooting range thing is kind of annoying, though. But it's also fun as hell. Like, this is like a world like you're just hanging out with the old heads and fucking doing stuff like this. Chilling, having a good time. Me personally, it's an okay world in my hands. Still has a bunch of guns. This one's by far my favorite one, though. It's like a... what else? Let's try that one, Garen. Fuck it. Why not? Gangster hold. Wait. You see that? He has realistic sounds. And I'll see these puppies. Oh, I thought these were fucking full automatic Glocks. Never mind. Oh yeah, also they have a reset all button. Just in case your friends get messy. Also, another version of this, but chain out. Now with the fucking magazine. Oh yeah, look at that bitch. Realistic ass bullets. I think I tested everything out. Yeah, good world. Uh, Same fucking name as the first one. Alright, for now, this is for my Black Ops 1 fans. This is like another anti-use shooting range part 2. Now it's like old-fashioned shit. Talking about Black Ops 1. Oh, let's forget about the M9 Berettas and forget about the Glocks. Actually, you know what? We're still gonna use it. If you like using guns here, yeah. One problem is the shooting range is kind of far. Actually, can you change it? Oh, stop. Yeah, that's cool. I didn't realize you can do that shit. Anyway, they got a bunch of cool goddamn guns. Let me see about the scopes, though. Ooh, these bitches work. Yep. Yeah, everything works. This one's a normal one. I had fun doing this. Yeah, not a lot of people talk about this world. It's kind of an alright one. The shooting range thing is kind of annoying, though. But it's also fun as hell. Like, this is like a world like you're just hanging out with the old heads and fucking doing stuff like this. Chilling, having a good time. Me personally, it's an okay world in my hands. Still has a bunch of guns. This one's by far my favorite one, though. It's like a... what else? Let's try that one, Garen. Fuck it. Why not? Gangster hold. Wait. You see that? He has realistic sounds. And I'll see these puppies. I thought these were fucking full automatic Glocks. Never mind. Oh yeah, also they have a reset all button. Just in case your friends get messy. Also, another version of this, but chain out. Now with the fucking magazine. Oh yeah, look at that bitch. Realistic ass bullets. I think I tested everything out. Yeah, good world. Uh, Same fucking name as the first one. Alright, so now this is for all my Halo fans out there. And there's a bunch of you fuckers. But this one's called the fucking Halo Combat test thing. Yeah, anyway. So the first thing is check all the guns, right? They got this big fucking sniper rifle right here, and they only had like that one fucking, yeah. All right, what else? Also this, and this assault rifle right here, which is a dope ass assault rifle in my opinion. I honestly, there's something in a PvP that, oh shit. Yeah, they even got this bastard. They got shotguns, everything. What the hell? How the fuck did a mini... Apparently they also have minis inside them. And magazine takeout. Ooh, fancy. Another favorite world of mine. Not really a Halo guy. It's just a world that I kind of enjoy. You know, chill, relax, shoot some guns. I barely know. I know some things about Halo. I ain't gonna lie. The green dude's name is Master Chief. We literally just saw Master Chief earlier. So, I think I should introduce him to this. Anyway, this one's called Halo Combat Test Room. Pew! Bing, bing. They also have those annoying ass balls, but like they don't really do anything. But you could shoot them. Alright, next one. Alright, now, welcome to this world. Most of the weapons are just big ass sniper rifles. Look at this fucking thing right here. Looks like a fucking Gundam weapon. Anyway, yeah, everything fucking floats in a... I don't know why, but the fucking thing down there looks like the symbol from the movie theaters. Yeah, imagine getting fucking shot with this thing. That's like worse than a fucking shotgun blast to the fucking face. And they even have fucking rocket launchers too. Oh yeah, and also sniper rifles. It's just so hard to fucking shoot something. You see? Oh yeah, they also have these pistols, by the way. Yeah, whatever, I ain't gonna... And if you want to get really frisky, you can... Yeah. Also these fucking things. More sniper rifles. Yeah, this one's kind of cool. I don't use it that much, but still. Let me see what it's called. God damn it. Fuck, okay. Shooting test. I could have just said that. Fuck. Alright, next one. Alright, this is the last one I'm gonna do. I'm make a part 2 because I got more of this shit. I'll call it the fucking prequel sequel. Alright, so this one I just met today. It's pretty fucking cool. Let me show you what it has. Fucking M4 and MK. Alright, so it has a Glock. I mean, pistol, whatever the fuck it is. Pistol with no fucking silencer. Let me see, a sniper rifle. LMG. This one's actually kind of fucking cool. Let me see. Alright, plasma gun. And these fucking things. Plasma cannons? Oh no, shotguns. And, so it's apparently made in some sort of Asian country. I ain't gonna figure it out. But, it's pretty awesome. Shooting game, 131 points. I don't know if that's good. Someone has 125, and I just beat their record. So, yeah, so clearly someone didn't give a fuck. But yeah, it's a good world. It's like a new world for me. Make a prequel sequel and see how it goes. So now, hope you all have a good fucking day. And shout out to my friend Ghost, who had his stick in his hand and didn't show up. Alright, bye.